This is a final video to fix YouTube blocking VPN and Proxy. Are you tired of YouTube stopping your VPN or Proxy every time you try to watch videos? This problem happens because YouTube detects unusual traffic from your IP and blocks it. Many guides on social media or YouTube are long, confusing, and hard to follow. But today on Rexist, I will share a simple trick that works quickly and easily. You won't need complicated apps or settings. This method lets you watch YouTube without interruptions, keeping your VPN or proxy running smoothly. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial, comment below and I will make it for you. Stay tuned and make YouTube work your way with Rexist.